Let's get started with this tutorial. I'll walk you through a simple workflow for creating a clean sequence diagram. No matter which software you're using, SketchUp, Rhino, or Revit, the key is to get a 2D graphic output. If it is from Rhino, ambient shadows is a plus. This is the sequence that we'll work on. Starting from exporting the 2D graphic, I'll work on it in Illustrator, and finally add details to make it presentation ready. Once the file is ready, let's bring it to Illustrator. Let's arrange it sequentially. Here I've exported PDFs with lines for the model to be highlighted. To highlight the massing, let's add bold outer strokes and lighter strokes for the inside. Now, let's repeat the same for the other two diagrams. This simple hierarchy gives clarity to the diagram. The existing ambient shadow seems dominant. We'll add a transparent layer to mute it. Let's add colors to floors that expand in the second diagram and get tilted in the third. Highlighting floors, highlighting extended volume. In this tilted volume, we find green pockets. These are the 3 simple steps that explain the concept of this design. Next comes detailing. I usually include arrows, trees, and people. Use simple fills with muted colors to highlight volumes. Now we can add text to complete the composition. Add suitable title. The sequence diagram is ready, crisp, and clean.